show you how I cook artichokes. My whole family loves artichokes. This is a special treat for us, and if I'm feeling extremely generous, I will buy one for each one of us, so 5 artichokes. Today I'm going to be making 2. My mom used to make artichokes for us and we always loved them. So now I make them for my family. It's really easy. All you need is something that can go in a microwave. I am using this ceramic bowl, has a lid. If you don't have a microwave safe dish that has a lid, you can put saran wrap on it. Now the only prep work I've done is I washed the artichokes really well. And then I'm just going to take a knife and just cut the stem off at the base. And then just put the artichoke in the dish. Same thing here. Just cut the artichoke stem off. You don't need any liquid in here, just the liquid that's still on them from when I washed them. I'm going to put my 2 artichokes in the microwave for 8 minutes. While the artichokes are in the microwave cooking, I'm going to make the butter sauce. All we need for our dipping sauce is butter and lemon. If you don't have a fresh lemon, I love to use these true lemon packets, and I would just put one of these in my melted butter. Today I have a fresh lemon that I've washed. So I will slice that. I'm going to put my butter in a glass dish in the microwave for 25 or 30 seconds. A lot of times I will just pour butter into our own little individual containers and then give everybody a lemon wedge to do their own lemon. Okay, here's my cute little container. Oh yeah. Here's what the artichokes look like after 8 minutes in the microwave. This artichoke is perfectly cooked. It's really tender. Once you get to the inside, a lot more of it is edible, but right now, it's just that little bit on the end that you can just scrape with your teeth. A lot of butter and a little bit of artichoke. Superb. Once I get to the inside, to the heart, I'll show you how I cut it. Okay, here's the last of the leaves. And now we're to the furry part. So I'll show you what to do with this. It doesn't look like much, but this is the best part. What's easiest is if you cut it down the middle and then you can see where the hairy part starts, and you can just take your knife and follow that line, because nobody wants to eat that part. But you want to salvage all you can of this. So I'm cutting as closely as I can so I can get all of that artichoke heart. That doesn't look good, I promise you. It's so good. So there's the artichoke heart. And I cut it into a few pieces and then dip this in butter. And it's like nothing you've ever tasted. To me, these pieces are just as good as a piece of lobster. They are that delectable. So the next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a couple artichokes, take them home, wash them, cut the stem off, put it in the microwave covered for 8 minutes. It's 8 minutes for 1 artichoke, 8 minutes for 2. Same amount of time. Easy, super easy, and you'll have yourself a gourmet appetizer.